Howdy folks, High Value DMD. This video is called Get Your Hygiene Right. If you don't know me, I'm a 4th year dental student and I'll be graduating as a dentist here in 11 months. And I think I'm uniquely qualified to talk about this topic because we have some individuals come in my clinic with absolutely dreadful oral hygiene. You would not imagine what that's like, and maybe you could go on some of my shorts and see, because I posted a couple of anonymously of some people that have reported to the clinic. But it's like warfare out here, guys. You know, in rural America, that's where my clinic is. People do not brush. People, you can forget about flossing. Forget about that. That's just a foregone thought that nobody's gonna floss. People out here, They get a soda, they sip it, they eat some Takis and some Skittles, and they let that sit on their teeth, and they don't brush that sugar and that acid off of their teeth. Very, very basic operation that could save you thousands and thousands of dollars and just your self-image too. But people don't do it. People don't seem to value their oral hygiene and their oral health. Man, people come into our clinic with just teeth blown up like they've walked through a war zone. They've got brown teeth falling out, teeth that are just have so many cavities in it, they're just mush. I could just touch them and they just kind of squish, because teeth are organic material, you know, and they are susceptible to decay like that. So let me explain something to y'all. Get your hygiene right, man. Go get you a toothbrush. Go get you some toothpaste. What are you waiting for? That's the easiest thing in the world to do. Do you take a shower every night? Some of y'all probably don't, honestly. Do you wash your face before you go to bed? Some of y'all probably don't. How often do you wash your pillowcase and wash your bedding? And how often do you vacuum your room? How often do you dust? And how often do you clean your toilet? Like, all of these concepts, that's just part of being an adult. That's part of navigating through this life, is taking care of a few things. You know, cleaning up after yourself. Picking up after yourself, man, in your living room, in your room. Pick those clothes up off the floor, you know, throw them in the hamper. But this is way more important even than that. Brush your stinking teeth, man. It's not hard. Let me explain something to you. You go to the store, you get you a toothbrush, okay? And you put on that toothbrush a little bit of what's called toothpaste, okay? Then you put it up here and you angle it upwards a little bit and you go in circular motions, okay? Maybe y'all don't know that. Hey, some people haven't learned that concept. So I'm just here to provide a little bit of education. Go take care of that. Because let me explain something to you. If you don't brush your teeth, you will lose your teeth. What do you think is going to happen when you lose your teeth? What are the options? Think about it. I'm glad you guessed correctly. You're going to be in a set of clackers. Okay, sign here, sir, for this new set of clackers. I'll sign you up today. Yeah, man, you're going to be in some dentures. You don't want to be in dentures? I literally have patients that are later 20s, early 30s that are in dentures. That's for life. That's for life. Dentures don't stay in well, folks. You need to put implants in for that, and you guarantee that's what, $2,000, $3,000 each implant, easy. And then you have to connect it to the denture, which that costs money. You're talking thousands and thousands of dollars, and people just don't have it. People do not have it. God gives you a set of teeth. Actually, it's 2 sets, all right? 1 set you got to keep for the rest of your life. You know, you get your first permanent molar at 6 years old. You need to have that in your head until you're 85 and dead in the grave, okay? God gives you a set of teeth. Take care of them. You know, take care of yourself. Learn some responsibility, some accountability in your life, you know? That's it, folks. High Value DMD.